Hi students, welcome to the video session on the poem In a Wood on a Windy Day by Annie Bronte. Annie Bronte was an English novelist and poet who wrote under the pen name Action Bell. She and her sisters Emily and Charlotte wrote books and poems that are considered classic today. Annie Bronte's best-known work is the novel The Tenant of Wildfell Hall. Lines Composed in a Wood on a Windy Day by Annie Bronte is a beautiful poem in which she describes the turbulent elements on a windy day. In the first stanza, the poet explains her soul is awakened and her spirit is flying high, carried up on the strong wind. It appears to her the earth and the seas have also been aroused to rapture by the gale. The long dried blades of grass tossing madly in the fast blowing wind. The trees are swaying also. The dead leaves are dancing madly, and the white clouds are hurtling across the sky. The poet wishes she could see the mighty waves lashing against one another, causing colossal shower of spray. The poet also has the wish to see the mad waves strike against the shore and hear their rolling thunder. Now let us read the poem.
My soul is awakened, my spirit is soaring, and carried aloft on the wings of the breeze. For above and around me the wild wind is roaring, arousing to rapture the earth and the seas. The long withered grass in the sunshine is glancing. The bare trees are tossing their branches on high. The dead leaves beneath them are merrily dancing. The white clouds are scudding across the blue sky. I wish I could see how the ocean is lashing the foam of its billows to whirlwinds of spray. I wish I could see how its proud waves are dashing and hear the wild roar of their thunder.
Today, now let us go through the word meanings. Soaring, flying high, aloft in the air. Rapture, a feeling of immense joy. Withered, dried up. Glancing, reflecting light. Scudding, moving quickly in a line. Lashing, whipping or beating. Billows, large waves. Whirlwinds. It means that large amount of spray are being tossed around by the rough waves in the ocean. Now let us go through the summary of the lesson. As the speaker is taking a walk in the woods, a strong wind begins to blow. Her heart soars with the wind as it begins to blow all around her. With great excitement, she describes how the dry grass and bare branches of the tree sways in the wind. She marvels at how the leaves appear to be dancing about while the clouds seem to be racing across the sky. While she appreciates this, she also wishes that she could see how the wind would affect the ocean by making its waves crash. In the poem, the speaker reveals a sense of great happiness at being able to experience the wind in all its glory and yet longs to be by the ocean to see how it turns the waves there. She provides a vivid description of the surroundings, allowing the reader to visualize it too. By speaking in present continuous tense with words like tossing and lashing, she includes the reader in her experience. This also gives a continuous sense of action through the poem. Students, please read and learn the poem, also the word meanings. Thank you for learning along. Thank you and have a great day.